up, everybody? This week we're going to be doing some more macOS programming. I'm going to be working some more on my Gatsby.js blogging application that I built for myself here. I got some bugs I need to fix up and some new features I'm going to put in here as well. So I'll talk about those as I work on them. Find out something new this week. I've got some royalty-free music here playing in the background, not only to keep me entertained, but to just add a little something in between the chat sessions here. Feel free to ask questions in the chat and I'll do my best to answer them. If you like the track you can hear playing, you'll see it on the now playing at the top of the screen from Spotify. Bug I want to fix this week is one that's just a little thing here, but let me show you. If I put some text here, right? If I put this is test text in a post. Now if I go ahead and I use one of these icons that I have on the left that puts some code in for me, you'll notice that it's got a different format, right? It's using this sort of standard format, and I want to use this bigger font. So we're going to go ahead and fix up these two here first of all. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the application and head over to my view controller and start working on those, and I'll talk through the code as I figure it out as I go along. Notice here the text from these, so this is the two functions that get fired up when you hit those icon buttons, and what you're going to notice is that it's putting in some attributed string text, and that's part of the problem here. Is it's putting in the attributes, which is just some color, and it's not overriding the font size. My text view, and I can set the text view. Okay, so this actually may not work here. But you know what? If I go down to my, what I'm wondering, if I go down to my add text block function here, and even though these are text fields, I wonder if I can be that lucky. That's gonna work. Hang on. See, you can tell I definitely did not research this ahead of time, just to keep it interesting. I wonder if I just, let's just try this. I'm curious. People watching probably be like, that is really stupid. But you can tell I work on iOS applications, not macOS applications during the day, so I actually don't know an awful lot about macOS. And in particular, you know, of course, we're still stuck with the, we don't have the UI yet. We have, well, we would if I use Swift UI, yeah. But at the moment, I'm still using AppKey. I don't think that's gonna work, but we'll try. Who knows? You never know. It might work. Alright, here's my text. Oh dang, it actually just works. Beautiful. Now, the reason I know that is because if I go over to the other one that doesn't have that code yet, look, I still get the old one. So who knew? Sometimes you just have to experiment with these things and have a little faith. Alright. I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to clean up and refactor this into some more presentable code than this horrible long form repetition nightmare that we've got. So well, let's just, the way I do these things, especially when it's something I don't know, is I'll get it working using somewhat long form, horrible, almost kind of newbie code just to discover, as a discovery process, and make sure that it works. And then I go back and refactor it into something better. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making sure this works. And so far, looks good. Alright, yeah, great. That works. But let's, you know what, hit the clear button, try it again. Create. Is it all there? Yes. Beautiful. Okay. Before I go any further, I'm going to commit this.